Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's session. Today I will show you 5 practices that you can do every day sitting at your desk without anybody noticing. Because this is not just necessary but important, as our bodies are meant to move in different ways all through the day. And this can be a big challenge, especially because we're sitting for long hours cooped up at our desk. The first practice we're going to do is centering. This is going to help you feel more present as well as relaxed, and you can do this anytime you feel anxious. So we'll begin this by sitting tall. Our feet is rested on the floor, palms are resting in receiving position on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, just noticing the room that you're in, and then close your eyes. You're going to keep breathing in and out through your nose throughout the session. Now bring your awareness to your right ear, listening for sounds through your right ear. Shifting awareness to your left ear, listening for sounds through your left ear. Now as you breathe in and out, notice the sounds around you through both your ears. Now breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, letting a big sigh. Bringing your awareness to your breath, notice the air entering your nostril all the way to the back of your throat. And breathe out. The next time you breathe in, notice the rise and fall of your chest. Once again, breath in. Create a lot of length in your spine. Notice your belly contract and relax. One more breath in. Completely breathe out. Slowly dropping your chin to your chest. Eyes continue to stay closed. Noticing how you feel in the back of your neck. Slowly open your eyes with a few blinks. This practice should help you feel more calmer and relaxed. The next practice, we're going to be working on our neck and shoulders because this is where we store most of the physical tension. Here, we're just not going to do movements, but we're also going to incorporate breath in this. Though all the practices here are not yoga asanas, you can make it more yoga by being very mindful on how you move, as well as bringing a lot of awareness to your breath. For the first one, we're going to sit tall, keeping our back straight. Let's call this a turtle breathing. Here, we're going to mimic the movement of the turtle's head, like when it comes out of its shell and withdraws it back. And that movement, you're going to do it at your neck. It's a very subtle movement. So breathing in, sit tall, trying to bring your neck to whatever is your neutral position to begin. And now as you breathe out, you're going to push your chin forward, still keeping it parallel, okay? We're not dropping it towards our chest, keeping it parallel forward. You'll start feeling a lot of tension and stretch in your muscles wherever your muscles are tight. And as you breathe in, come back to a neutral position. I'll show this to you from the side and then we'll do it together. Sit tall, back is straight, and remember that we all may not look the same depending on how our bodies are designed, how our posture is. Take a deep breath in, tall. You notice I'm not doing this. I'm not tucking my chin into my neck here. Just to this point. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. So let's do 3 rounds together. and back. So I feel it more in my shoulder. You may feel it in different areas depending on your the parts where it is tight for you. Now the next one is shrugging your shoulders. Here, I'm still going to rest my hands on my thighs. You can let it hang loose towards the earth. I'm going to just rest it here, not pressing into my thighs, raising my shoulders up towards my ear so that my neck kind of disappears in the space between my ears. Breathing in, and as I breathe out, I'm going to let this whole thing collapse. So we can do this by breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now inhale, keep everything else relaxed. If you want, close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. You can count in your mind. I'm going to count loudly here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. 4, 3, 2, and relax the shoulders. 3 more together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Trying to push your elbows towards the earth in my case. If you're letting your hands dangle to the side, then your fingertips towards the earth. Last one. And exhale. Now we're going to work on our posture. Because of how we sit, generally our chest muscles are tight and our back muscles are weak. So the first one is I've taken a part out of Yoga Namaskara. We're going to press our palms together. So you can simply keep it here, but you want to add a little more. We can do some isometric stretching, like pressing our palms against each other. Trying to get the most out of one practice. Press and hold. Keep breathing in and out. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, reach your hands up all the way to the back of your head. And then as you breathe out, elbows to the out, fingers pointing up towards the ceiling. Don't tuck your chin in. Look forward. Press the elbows out. Initially, your hands may be up here or lower. Maybe your palms may not touch. The heels of your palm may be spread apart. It's fine. Eventually, we're going to get there. You're going to feel this stretch. Now, press your fingertips. Move your palms away from each other. Take it up again. Stretch and breathe out. Again, equal opposite forces in your fingertips. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. We'll do 3 to 5 rounds of this. Press. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Up. Gaze forward. Chin parallel. Exhale. Down. Elbows to the side. Now press your fingertips against each other as you come up. Breath in. Press. And down. Again, press your palms. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up. You'll feel that in your arms. Again, back. Nice and stretch out. Inhale. Up. Again, press your fingertips or simply bring it down. If it's too much, you can come down this way. Press. Up. Exhale. Back. Inhale. Up. Press your fingertips and down. Last one. Press. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Stretch. Press your palms together if you can. Hold. Press your fingertips. Palms move apart. Come up. And back. Drop your hands down. If you're using, pressing against each other or pressing a finger, you can go to feel this even in your arms. The last practice we're going to be doing is Paschima Namaskara, where we're going to adopt Namaskara Mudra behind our back. Either it can stay lower towards your lower back. Eventually, I want you to move it up. With practice, you're going to get there. You're going to move it to the space between your shoulder blades. Roll your shoulders out. Stay here, close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. You can stay here for 2 or 3 breaths. And out. Now here you can get more creative with this. Staying here, you can always do a nice side bend, seeing that. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. See that you're not moving your shoulder forward. Keep and bend. Inhale, come up. Exhale to the side. Just remember, when you're doing all of this, there is no sharp shooting pain. You will feel some stretch pain, and that's completely okay. Breathe in. You can lean forward. As you breathe out, again, inhale, come up. You can turn and twist slightly towards the right side so that your abdomen makes contact with your thigh. So you bend up, turn, twist to the other side and back. And in case you have any kind of pain, just come to a point of discomfort. Stay there, close your eyes, take long, deep breaths in and out. So you're letting your body know it's safe and you're trying to relax those muscles. And then you can further increase the intensity or the depth of your movement. Release your hands. Interlace your hands, nice big stretch. Up towards the ceiling, breathe out, bring your hands down and relax. Thank you so much for doing this session with me. I cannot emphasize the importance of movement. It's hard to list all the benefits. The only way is to experience it. So please don't miss any opportunity that you get to move. It could be simple things like you want to drink water, walk to the water cooler. You want to talk to a colleague, walk to his or her desk, because movement is medicine. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And also, if you think your friends and family need this, please spread the word about this channel. Namaste.